Hello, Dr. Wong. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whenever you're watching this, Dr. Wong. So today I will be talking about my processed foods assignment for my independent learning week task. So the first processed food I chose was the Calbee chips, the flaming hot chips. So the category for this food product belongs to savory snacks such as crisps, sausage rolls, pies, and pasties. So these are my screenshots of the product itself. So I have my nutritional information on the top left. Then me taking a selfie with the product I have on the top right, and then the ingredients on the bottom there. So this is what we have for our additives. So we have quite a few of additives, so I think we have 8 over here. So for example, the first additive we have is MSG. So the type of additive it is a flavor enhancer. The purpose of use is to boost savory taste, and it enhances the umami flavor profile of the chips itself. So where can this MSG be found? Almost everywhere actually. It's kind of a seasoning as well. You can use it in the actual foods too. It doesn't have to be junk foods, but it's most commonly found in instant noodles, chips, canned soups, and also processed food. So it's actually generally considered safe by the FDA, but some people just experience a headache after consuming too much. So if you are consuming these, just take in a moderate amount. And then things like disodium 5-ribuloside or something. The flavor enhancer is synergizes with MSG. Then it also enhances savory flavors. It can be found in like snacks as well, like instant foods and all. Considered safe if consumed in small amounts, but can have some side effects like MSG also. So you have your yeast extracts, so it's a natural flavor enhancer, adds umami taste just like MSG. Can be found in Vegemite, chicken bouillon cubes, soups, and vegan cheeses. Safe for most similarly sensitive concerns as MSG, but less pronounced. So it's a safer version of an MSG, I would say. So silicon dioxide, so it's an anti-caking agent, so it prevents clumping in powders. And like spice blends, powdered drinks, supplements. So like these things, right? Like they prevent the seasonings of the chips from clumping to each other. So like you don't get like one bite just full of seasoning. So it becomes too salty for you. So it's non-toxic, obviously, because like it's weird to put toxic foods in our food. And yeah, non-toxic. Yeah. So fifth is a tricalcium phosphate, anti-caking agent as well as, and adding on with a calcium supplement, so it prevents moisture absorption. So it can be found in baking powders, cereals, fortified plant milks. So it's usually safe to consume, but excess calcium may cause kidney stones in some individuals. So caramel color, artificial coloring, adds brown color. So it's like soy sauce, gravies, baked goods. So class 3 carcinogen by the ESPA when produced with ammonia 150C, but with low risk of typical food amounts. So yeah, the sodium dikaitate, acidity regulator, preservative, enhances sourness, inhibits mold. Seasoned snacks, breads, cheese products. So comments about this is safe in moderation, but high in sodium content may affect blood pressure. So lastly, you have your hydrolyzed vegetable protein HVP, or it is a flavor enhancer, same like MSG. So purpose of use is it adds a savory taste, contains natural MSG, so it can be commonly found in instant soups, bouillons, processed meats, and all. Similar to MSG may contain contaminants if consumed too much. So yeah. So this is my product number 2. I chose canned tuna for this case. So the name of the product will be by Ion brand. So it's just canned tuna chunks in mineral water. So identify the category the food product belongs to. So it's a tin or canned food. So over here you can see the top left is picture of the nutritional information. The top right is a picture of a selfie of me and the product, and then the bottom is just the ingredients. So this product is a bit special because there are no additives in the specific brand of canned tuna, as its ingredients are only tuna and water. But a typical canned tuna that you might find in grocery stores may contain food additives that are listed down below. So for the specific product that I bought, there was no actual additives, but like the table right now that you're seeing is what a typical canned tuna will have for its additive. So name of additive will be salt, monosodium glutamate, 5-phosphate, sorry. So it's like MSG, salt, and all those things. So salt is a preservative / flavor, it enhances the taste, and it also preserves the taste of food. So it can be found in most canned foods, and then it's safe for moderation but high sodium risk. MSG, very common nowadays. Flavor enhancer, boosts the umami flavor, and then can be found in processed snacks, soups. Safe for most, but some people might report more sensitive than others. 5-phosphate, it's a stabilizer, prevents mushiness in fish. So it can be found in seafood, processed food like canned seafood. So safe but may affect mineral absorption. Yeah. Lastly, my processed food number 3 is pepper belly bacon, smoked pepper belly bacon. So the category of this product, it belongs to the meat products such as bacon, sausage, ham, and salami. So these are my screenshots for the product. So on the top left, we have the nutritional information, and then the top right we have the selfie of me and the product, and then the bottom is the ingredients. So for this, the additive will be phosphate, so it's a stabilizer. It helps moisture retention, can be found in processed meats and seafoods. And then safety concerns are kidney strain in excess. So next one is flavor, soy. It's a flavor enhancer, enhances umami taste. Can be found in soy sauce snacks. So people with soy allergens might be careful. Might need to take care of this. So you have sodium acetate. It's a preservative. It balances our pH, the pH and the shelf life, which can be found in chips, canned foods. So safe, mild, digest risk. So sodium erythorate, it's an antioxidant. Color fixation, and then it's commonly found in cured meats, and then it helps converts to vitamin C. Lastly, sodium nitrate, it's a preservative, and then it helps preserve botulism, fixes color. Can be commonly found in bacon or ham or meats. The comments about the safety of additive is a nitrosamine risk. So it's carcinogenic. It might cause cancer. Alright, thank you, Dr. Wong.